Hello everyone, welcome to Enroll. In this video, I'm going to discuss about a new batch announcement, which is going to be data science, obviously in Hindi and in English. And we are going to start that particular batch this week itself. So we are starting a data science, which is called as full stack data science batch from this particular weekend. So let's go and talk about this particular batch, guys. So here is a live class segment, and if you will come over here, so you will be able to find out two batches. One is full stack data science in Hindi, another one is full stack data science in English. So yes, as per your need, as per your requirement, as per your convenience, you can try to choose any of these batches. That's completely fine. Price is super affordable. As you can see, it's just 2500 rupees. That's it. Now let's talk about entire syllabus for this entire full stack data science. So batch start date is going to be 14th December, guys, as you can see. And so schedule is going to be Saturday and Sunday. We know that most of you are available on Saturday and Sunday. So this is going to be the schedule, Saturday and Sunday, 12:30 p.m. so till 2 p.m. IST for a English batch. Now, if I'll talk about Hindi batch, so for Hindi batches, timing is going to be 10:30 a.m. to 12 p.m. IST. So again, it is going to start from 14th of December. Depends upon your own convenience, so you can try to join any of these batches. That's completely fine. Now, if I'll talk about syllabus, so I have included each and everything. I'm the one who is going to take this particular batch, and I have included everything, means literally everything I have included. Now, so I'm not going to start ahead with a Python over here. So I'm going to start ahead with the definitions, then mathematics, and then I'll try to jump into a algorithm. The reason is that we have already started a Python batches. So we are trying to run a Python batches in parallel, so that those who are already aware about a Python, maybe a little bit, not in that depth, but yeah, maybe in a little bit, if you are aware about a Python, then in that case, directly you can start a data science. Those who are not aware about a Python, then in that case, yes, you should start with the Python and then parallel to it, right? Parallel to it. So you can try to go ahead with the data science batches. So this is the reason. So we have launched a Python batch in a very first place, and then we are starting full stack data science so that we can try to create a balance. Now, if you have Euron plus access, yeah. So if you have Euron plus access, in that case, you are not supposed to take a batches separately, like a Python batch separately, or maybe a data science batches separately. So I'll recommend you to go ahead and take a subscription of this Euron Plus, so that you will be able to access each and everything. Each and everything means whatever is available in live or maybe in a self-paced manner, and whatever we are going to bring for an entire year, you all will be able to access it. Very simple, right? Now, syllabus wise, so everything I have included. So whether it's a machine learning, whether it's a deep learning, whether it's a NLP, whether it's a computer vision or deployment, cloud, each and everything I have already included inside this particular syllabus, including a project, which is going to be a real time, obviously. Yeah. So fine, I believe syllabus you can go and you can try to check out on your own. Maybe you will be able to find out everything in very detail, and we have included all the information. In case if you have any kind of a doubt or maybe a concern, so you can try to ping us on a number which we have given to you, or you can try to ping us on a mail ID. With that, thank you so much, guys. See you again in a next video. And yes, please do join this batch if you are trying to learn a data science, because I'm going to discuss everything. Everything means literally I'm going to talk about each and everything in this particular batch. With that, thank you so much, everyone. See you again in my next video.